In this video tutorial, I show you how to easily turn on post approval in a Facebook group. Make sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. Open the Facebook app on your device. Tap on the menu icon to access the options. Select Groups at the top to see all the groups you manage. Choose the group where you want to enable post approval. Once you're in the group, tap the Manage button next to Invite. This will take you to the group management page. Scroll down and tap on Group Settings. In the group settings, scroll down until you found the post approval option. You'll notice it's currently set to off. To change this, simple toggle it to on. Enabling this feature means that all posts will need approval from admins or moderators before they publish it in the group. Don't forget to tap Save to apply your changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching.